Performing blend repairs on metallic or pearl colors with Delfleet 1 base coat is easy, and there are a couple of options to choose from. One way is to apply a wet bed of blending clear to the repair area using a 2-gun cup approach. To do so, prepare a gun cup with base coat color, mix 2:1:1 with hardener and reducer. In a second gun cup, mix F8720 blending clear 2:1:1 with hardener and reducer. Refer to the wet bed chart in the Delfleet 1 technical bulletin for guidance on mixing according to the ounces required for the job. To perform the blend, first apply the ready-to-spray base coat over the repair to at least 70% hiding. Then, attach the second gun cup and apply the blending clear around the edge of the repair, extending beyond where the color was applied. Next, return to the first gun cup and apply the color to hiding over the wet bed area, leaving a border on the repair edge uncoated to accept the blend. And you're ready for the clear coat. The second option is to step out the color blend with a blending clear, also employing the 2-gun cup approach. Mix ready-to-spray F8720 blending clear with the ready-to-spray base coat color. Refer to the blending clear chart in the Delfleet 1 technical bulletin for guidance on mixing according to the ounces required for the job. First, apply the full-strength ready-to-spray color to at least 70% hiding. Then, with the second gun cup, apply the more transparent blending clear and color mixture. Spray over the repair, stepping out the blend as necessary to achieve an invisible repair. Once flashed, you're ready for the recommended Delfleet 1 clear coat over the entire area. You also have the option of applying both of these blend procedures, starting with the wet bed and then stepping out with the blending clear before clear coating. After drying, the repair may be polished with a foam pad if necessary. That's the repair process for metallic and pearl colors using Delfleet 1 base coat. These same techniques also can be used when blending with Delfleet 1 direct gloss top coat. Now, let's look at the repair process for solid colors using a blending solvent. The procedure applies to both base coat and direct gloss solid colors. To get ready, prepare ready-to-spray color in 1 cup, mixing 2 parts color to 1 part hardener and 1 part reducer. In a second cup, prepare a mix of One Choice SLV 840 blending solvent with the ready-to-spray color in a ratio of 2 parts solvent to 1 part color. Then apply the full-strength color to hiding over the repair area. Next, use the second gun cup of the blending solvent color mixture and spray on the edge of the repair, stepping out the color to create a smooth transition. If the solid color is a base coat, apply the recommended Delfleet 1 clear coat over the entire repair area. After drying, the repair may be polished with a foam pad if necessary. That's a look at the blend repair procedures for the Delfleet 1 system. For further review on the complete details of these repair processes, refer to the technical bulletin DFOTB-204.